Julie's World vlog. So hey, if you're like me and you are cozied inside because of the polar vortex, then you will certainly enjoy watching this week's Julie's World vlog. So it's just the tail end of Creativation, lots of home renovation fun, and you know, the usual art and all that kind of good stuff. So I hope you enjoy. Mom and I are in the hotel room, and we have fallen into a rabbit hole today. So we wrapped up CHA, which was great. Our CHA is now called Creativation, which was great. But then Mom somehow stumbled upon these like Jordan Schlansky, Conan O'Brien videos, and they're so funny. So if you like to laugh, you should totally check them out because I think they're hilarious. Anyway, otherwise the show was really good. I had really fun time hanging out with some people that I've gotten to know over the years. I always feel oddly depressed sort of around Creativation because it's since this is an annual thing, right? It makes me sort of assess my business and where I am compared to last year, and did I accomplish all my goals? And I have a bad habit of focusing on the things I haven't done instead of appreciating things that I have. So anyway, I know it's silly to feel like to focus on that stuff, and so I try really hard not to, but I don't know, I feel like somehow it's kind of like Instagram in real life. You know, sometimes when you look at Instagram and everybody seems to have like perfect children and perfect homes and the best everything, and it's like, you know, you start to feel weird about yourself. And the same thing is true, I think, sometimes when I go to Creativation, which is I feel like, oh my gosh, I haven't done enough. I'm not running fast enough. I'm not working hard enough. I need to do more. So my mom keeps reminding me, and she's very good at it, to just focus on the things that I am proud of and positive about and that I have done a lot, and that's what matters. So I'm trying to do that. Look at this beautiful sunrise. We are leaving Phoenix in a blaze of glory. So, Mom and I are here at the Phoenix airport, and we have discovered the Phoenix Art Gallery, which I think is amazing that this airport has an art gallery. And of course, we've been doing Creativation. And have you had fun, Mom? Are you glad you came?
I had a lot of fun.
What was your favorite thing?
Going around with you and seeing what you think is new and exciting.
She takes my opinion seriously, I guess. Did some paint pouring today. You can see where it's still wet versus what has already dried, which I think is kind of hilarious. Today's super fun house news. The contractor just called. The water main at the house broke thanks to the freezing temperatures. So it was put in 1931. The town had to come and turn off the water, but we are responsible for replacing it. Anyway, at least we'll have a brand new one, right? So soon enough, all of this is also going to be torn down and gone. And this fireplace will get installed. So Steve and I are headed to the house because our friends the Masons want to see the house, and my mom has not seen the progress in real life, so we're going to show it off to all of them. My brother's in town too because tomorrow is my birthday. So we're going to take everybody to see the big pile of sticks that is our house. Are you excited to show it off to people, Steve?
Super excited.
Yeah! He doesn't seem that excited, right? That's pretty low-key excited. Down to the studs. Yeah, go up the other stairs, I think. Otherwise, Mom will fall in the hole. No, there's something against it. There's like a floor mat against it. Are you keeping this one? This charming door? Exactly. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julie. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Make a wish.
Make a wish. This is the mask that I'm doing. We've all been doing masks and nose strips and all sorts of stuff for my birthday. It's pretty darn creepy, isn't it? So here I am, freshly washed, and the question is, does my skin look renewed and beautiful?
Before I cut the whole quilt, this is ombre fabric, and it was actually.
Oh, my name is Julie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julie. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you all very, very much. I just spit all over that cake. Everybody enjoy it. Everybody enjoy it. Oh no! The top layer covered in spit. Thanks so much for watching. Try to stay warm, and I'll see you next week.